Hello, hello, hello. Hi, I'm Rhonda with Rhonda Gage's Creation. And do you know what the oldest crochet hooks look like? Or the definition of them? So the modern crochet hook originated in the 1830s in England, where the modern art of crochet was perfected. Previous iterations of the crochet hook included the flat hook, used in shepherd's knitting, and the hooked needle in tambour embroidery, both of which had existed a long time ago. I'm going to pause the video for a second, and I'm going to turn to my computer and show you some of those hooks. All right, so here I have some different hooks that are like really old and some different crochet. I do not have any hooks like this. I think this blue one right here is pretty cool looking. And some of these ones through here are cool looking, but I do not have any of them. So there you go. Thank you.